Are you looking at taking your trading skills to the next level? In this video, I will show you how to trade bullish and bearish pennants, two powerful continuation patterns that can boost your profits in trading markets. You will learn how to identify pennants, place trades, and avoid common pitfalls to maximize your trading success. Pennants are continuation patterns that form after a strong price move, followed by a brief consolidation phase. We have two types of pennants. We have the bullish pennant and the bearish pennants. Bullish pennant form after an upward move, signal continuation of the uptrend. Bearish pennant form after a downward move, signal continuation of the downtrend. How to identify bearish and bullish pennant? A strong preceding trend, which is called the flagpole, a small triangular consolidation, which is the pennant, breakout in the direction of the original trend. How to trade pennants? Let's quickly take a look at how to trade the bullish pennant. Like I said, pennant is a continuation pattern. So this is a pennant on British pound US dollar on the daily time frame. And as you can see, this is the flagpole. We have the flagpole and we have the pennant, which looks like a symmetrical triangle, but it's not a symmetrical triangle. It is much more smaller. You can see how price has consolidated in this zone. So what price is waiting for is continuation of this uptrend. That is what price is waiting for. So we should be looking for a breakout to the upside. And for that to happen, then we have to patiently wait. See, the first candle, price has created a bearish candle, which is not a signal. Now we have a breakout, but price still closed right inside the pennant. So this is not tradable. We can't trade this as a signal. So we'll wait to see the, okay, now we have a breakout. You can see, as you can see here, we clearly have a breakout now. So we can decide to enter this trade. So how do we enter this trade? Our entry can be here. Our stop loss beneath the pennant, somewhere around here. Our target, we measure from here down to this place. You see the target? Then we extend it. We extend it to determine our target level. So target level somewhere here. So what happens? Let's watch. See, our target has been hit, and after that it's a wash through. And see how price is going. So this is how you trade bullish pennant. You enter, immediately price breaks through the pennant level. Your stop loss should be beneath in case this is a fake out. So you get taken out of the market quickly before you end up making a huge loss. So your stop loss should be somewhere here, and your target should be the measurement from here to here. Then you extend it to this place to determine your take profit. So if you want to allow your profit to run, then you enter multiple times. But the best thing for you to do is to take profit once it gets here. But if you enter multiple times, you can close some of your position here and allow the rest to run through. So quickly, let us look at a bearish situation. So here is a bearish pennant on Euro USD on the daily time frame. You can see after this move down, you can see the consolidation, and you can see the symmetrical triangle, which is called the pennant. This is unlike the normal symmetrical triangle. This is much more smaller than the normal symmetrical triangle. So how do we trade this? You have to wait until there is a confirmation. You don't just enter this and say you are trading pennants. So wait. See the first candle, you can see low volume. After that, see, we have a bullish candle, and now we have a breakout. You can see the breakout candle, very healthy. So how do we enter this trade? We enter around here, around this zone. We place our stop above the pennant. How do we determine our target? For us to determine our target, we measure the length of the flagpole, which is from here to here. Then we extend it to where the breakout occur. So this is it. Watch out to see. After that, we have bearish close, and price keeps going until our target is hit. So you can see that the target has been hit. So this is how you trade bearish pennant. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. One of the mistakes is misunderstanding the pattern. Ensure clear trend line and a strong flagpole. Another mistake is entering too early. You have to wait for the breakout to confirm the direction. Another is ignoring volume spike during breakouts. Bullish and bearish pennants are powerful patterns for continuation trading. By identifying them correctly and waiting for confirmation, you can significantly improve your trading results. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more trading tutorials and comment below with your experiences or questions about trading pennants. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.